Hey everyone, it's Greg with Automobility Store, and today we're talking about one of the most highly rated folding mobility scooters on the market. The GoGo Super Portable Folding Scooter by Pride Mobility. This scooter is built for portability. It folds in just seconds and can fit easily in the trunk of most cars. No disassembly required. Whether you're headed to the airport, the grocery store, or just out for a day with the family, the GoGo Super Portable makes it easy. And customers love how convenient it is. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds and speeds up to 4.5 miles per hour, it's surprisingly sturdy and smooth for its compact size. I've heard from so many customers who say this scooter has changed their lives. It's easy to travel with, it's reliable, and gives them the independence they need. Plus, with high satisfaction ratings, it's not just our top pick for folding scooters, it's our favorite for users everywhere. So if you're looking for a folding mobility scooter with top-rated reliability and ease of use, the GoGo Super Portable might be just what you need. Come see it yourself at Automobility Store or check the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.